Heavenly Father, we're anxious about climate breakdown. It's already causing wildfires, crop failures, killer heatwaves and floods. We're angry. It's so unfair, hitting the poorest hardest, adding to human conflict and compounding nature's struggles. From youngsters to grandparents, we need some hope. To see government stopping the bad stuff and driving the good, a fair transition to a low-carbon economy, a nature-friendly way, acting boldly on the science, no more denial or delay. And this year, Heavenly Father, the Climate Summit will be in the UK too. It's exciting and daunting. What should your people do? We will praise you for your creation, commit our churches to act, work together across neighbourhoods and nations, and call all leaders to be bold, just, honest with the facts. So help us, Heavenly Father, to worship, act and speak up. Yes, we will worship, act and speak up.